In this video of Facebook ads course, today we will teach you that how the Facebook ad structure works. So friends, we are taking you towards ads in this course. Before this, we have already taught you many important features of Facebook ads and many practical things. But the most important thing is to understand the Facebook ad structure. Because when you create campaigns, and it can be any type of campaign, so you should know what things to keep in mind and what steps to complete for that. Call it a complete Facebook ad structure, call it a hierarchy, how Facebook ads work, we will learn everything. So look, I'll show you on the computer screen. Right now, look at the computer screen. You are on my Facebook ads, Meta ads dashboard. It is under an ad account where we create campaigns. So the structure of the campaign, over there, the structure we have for the ads, look there. First of all, in our dashboard, you must be seeing the campaign section, and here are some campaigns that we had created. Okay, to teach all of you. Now here, it is campaign, then after that ad sets, and then ads. Just like it happens in Google ads, we've seen we create campaigns, then ad groups, and then we create ads. Similarly, it happens in Facebook too. Okay, because you know the base for any marketing platform, whether it's Google ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other platform, the base remains the same. Okay, so here I hope my screen is visible. So within any ad account in Facebook, the very first step is to create a campaign, to make a new campaign. Now when we click here to create a campaign, create new campaign, it asks us for some objectives. We will select that and then we move towards creating the campaign. After selecting that, we come to the ad sets. I will select any one campaign here. I have selected this one here. Now look here, ad set. Now I will click here. So here I have created an ad set. What is an ad set? Friends, let's say I provide digital marketing services. Obviously, I do it anyway in reality. Now I provide digital marketing services, so it's not necessary that I am offering only one service. There can be multiple services. They can be like Google ads management service, Facebook ads management service, SEO service, social media. Okay. Consultancy, we provide different types of services like website designing services. Now what's in this? So when I will create a campaign, so the campaign, when I'm talking about the campaign, I create a campaign because I need leads related to digital marketing services. So here I created a campaign, digital marketing services lead generation campaign. Now in that campaign, I have set the budget. Let's say I will spend 2000 rupees per day on the ad. But when we come to the ad set here and click on it, so you will see an ad set that I have created for lead generation. But if I let's suppose for 4 of the services, I want to run an ad for, I want leads for 4 services, like separate for website designing, separate for social media marketing, separate for search engine marketing means Google ads. And similarly, I want separate for SEO. So if I want separate ads, then I will not create all the things, all the creatives, all the ad copies within one ad set. I will create multiple ad sets within one campaign. How will they be made? Just like we have made one ad set, then we will select the campaign here and click on create. Here we will create a new ad set and give it a name like SEO services. Okay. Then we will create another one and we will name it social media marketing services, Google ads management services. We can create multiple ad sets like this. So like when we, let's say I have created separate ad sets for 3 different services, suppose for one service. Within Google ads management, I created one ad with creatives and so on. I've put in headlines, etc. everything. But what will happen by running just one ad here? So here also I will create multiple creatives. In one I'll run a video ad, in another a carousel, in another image ad. I will add their different offers, different headlines, titles, etc. and all such things. Description too. I will do all this so that the Facebook also gets to know that yes, we are running ads for 3 different services within one campaign, for which I have created separate ad sets for all 3. And within the ad set for each of the service, I have created multiple ads. So that whenever and whichever user, maybe he or she is more interested in a particular thing, as I have done the targeting, because when I create an ad set, so according to that, I am not just creating a new particular ad set, I'm also doing separate audience targeting accordingly. Accordingly, I'm also using different creatives, different things within campaigns. So in a way, it's A/B testing. Because if you are new and you don't even know and have no idea about the kind of results, ad copies or creatives or audience settings will they give you, right? So it comes with experience, and then multiple ad sets, multiple ads becomes useful here, through which when you run your ad campaigns, right? So then the Facebook will show your best performing ad sets or the best campaigns or the ads more. Budget optimization is done through this. What the public likes, it will show more of that, it will use more budget, and you will get much better results. So from this, after creating multiple campaigns, you too will get an experience and idea that these kinds of creatives, these kinds of ads, these kinds of ad set you should create, this audience is more useful for me. So friends, everything comes from learning. So don't make mistake like creating it just once and then finding out all our money was wasted in that campaign. When we created only one ad set, then what can Facebook even do with that? It will have to show only that. But we spent 2000 on the campaign, we created multiple ad sets, multiple ads there. So Facebook feels these ones are not performing, I'll show these more. If they perform, then money will be utilized, money won't be wasted, campaign and budget will be optimized. I am telling you this from that experience in which we pay attention to small details in our digital marketing agency. New clients also come to us, and from those new clients, we understand their need and plan, how to grow their business, how to plan for them, how to plan ad creatives. Okay, how will the entire campaign planning be done? How will the flow work? Our team here does all these things. And you know what else I was about to say? Yes, then we gradually bring results for the clients, giving them better ROS, okay, then optimizing their budget. So on all these tasks, attention is paid. Work is done on their ad copies, work is done on their creatives with thorough working. I'm teaching you in all these things in this course. You're getting that same digital marketing agency experience in this course. So right now I have told you some basics that you need to keep in mind, because when I teach you to create campaigns in this course, when you know these small things, you have learned this stuff, then you will easily be able to create all campaigns. You will understand them slowly, and when you practically work on any live project, then it will be very easy for you to get results. You will be able to do better work in less time. You will get much better results, whether it's your own business or a client's business. Everyone wants results. If it's your own, you will not just waste money, right? If it's clients, they'll stick only if you give results. Friends, I hope you must have understood the Facebook ad structure, how it is, how the hierarchy works, the campaigns, ad sets and ads. Please learn it well. Stay connected with our edition throughout the entire course. Subscribe to channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that friends you don't miss a single video or new skilled courses like these. And in these Facebook ads, you are also learning AI, so I hope you are liking the course. Thank you.